I see it every day in my work with companies. A narrative has taken hold. A story about productivity, about efficiency. A story that ends with crafting the perfect prompt to get a marginally better answer from a machine. But I have to ask, is that the real game we're playing? Is a leader's purpose to become the world's best tool manager? Or is it to use this moment of technological upheaval to map out a new territory of value, to redefine an entire industry? This isn't just a podcast episode. This is a wake-up call for the decision makers listening right now. It's your call to develop a true AI strategic vision. Because in the end, there are only two paths, and I believe we are choosing our path right now. Let's talk about the illusion of progress. Right now, your teams are probably celebrating what look like wins. Faster reports, more marketing copy, quicker analysis. This is the seductive nature of tactical AI. It gives you the feeling of progress, but I'm here to tell you it's an illusion. Focusing your energy on making your current business 10% more efficient is a strategic dead end. It's the equivalent of polishing the brass on the Titanic. It looks good, feels productive, but it completely misses the iceberg dead ahead. The real risk today isn't that you'll fail at using AI. It's that you will succeed brilliantly at using it for all the wrong things. Think about it. Every hour your best and brightest spend refining prompts for a process that is fundamentally outdated is a precious hour they are not spending on designing the new process that will make your competitors irrelevant. As leaders, we have to confront this truth. Incremental improvement is the enemy of transformational change. An AI strategic vision doesn't ask, how can we do this faster? It asks, why are we even doing this at all? This brings us to the great divide. In my view, leadership in this new era is splitting into two irreconcilable camps. There is no middle ground. On one side, you have the tool managers. They see AI as a piece of software to be integrated, a cost center to be optimized. They focus on implementation, on training, on execution. They are playing a finite game, and the prize is efficiency. It's a respectable game, but it's not a winning one. On the other side, you have the market shapers. They see AI as a fundamental force of nature, a strategic lever to bend industries to their will. Their focus isn't on the tool, but on the new, terrifyingly ambitious questions the tool finally allows them to ask. They are playing an infinite game. The prize is the future. An organization's entire future is determined by which camp its leaders fall into. A true AI vision is the dividing line. It's a conscious, deliberate choice to stop just managing a technology and start wielding it. So, I'll ask you directly, which camp are you in? A powerful AI strategic vision isn't some abstract document. It's a set of courageous, foundational questions. The quality of your AI output is never determined by the cleverness of your prompts. It's determined by the audacity of your questions. These are the questions I push my clients to answer. First, are we automating a process or are we eliminating it? The tool manager asks generative AI to summarize a weekly report. The market shaper asks AI to analyze the data in real time and predict the report's outcome, making the report itself obsolete. You have to stop thinking about speeding up the links in the chain. Your job is to ask how to get rid of the chain entirely. Second, are we just answering our customers or are we redefining their needs? Your customers can only ask for what they know is possible. A tactical AI vision serves existing needs. A strategic one anticipates them. It uses AI to model human behavior and create products for needs that customers haven't even articulated yet. Your job isn't to chase your customer. It's to lead them to a future they can't yet imagine. And third, is our AI creating efficiency or is it building a moat? Lowering costs is a temporary win. A true AI strategic vision builds an insurmountable competitive advantage. Are you using AI for personalized marketing? Fine. Or are you using it to build a predictive personalization engine so deeply integrated that no one can ever replicate that customer experience? One is a tactic, the other is a fortress. So let's end the comforting delusions. An AI strategic vision is not a nice to have. It is not an item for next year's budget. It is the single most critical factor that will determine survival and dominance in the next decade. The technology is a commodity. Everyone has it. The only thing that separates you from everyone else is the clarity, the courage, and the originality of your AI vision. The history of business is littered with cautionary tales of companies that were too efficient, too optimized, too focused on their current success to see the future coming. Organizations led by tool managers will be the next chapter in that book. You stand at a crossroads. One path is the comfort of the familiar, using incredible technology to do the same things, just a little bit better. That is the path to irrelevance. The other path is the challenge of the unknown, using that same technology to ask the big strategic questions that could reshape your business and your industry. That is the path of leadership. Guiding leaders and their teams to focus on that question, that is the essence of my work. It's what allows them to channel AI's inherent power strategically, moving beyond a limiting tactical approach to use it as a lever for their leadership. The choice now is yours.